Do you ever feel like you have too many choices to make, and it gets so overwhelming that you just don't know what to do? Maybe you have to decide what to do for homework, which friend to hang out with, or even what game to play next. It can feel like your brain is about to explode.
Hi everyone, I'm Alexa, and today, we're going to talk about something called decision fatigue, and how understanding it can help you make life easier and less stressful.
Decision fatigue is when your brain gets really tired after making too many decisions. Think of your brain like a phone battery. Every decision you make uses up a little bit of your battery. After a while, your brain feels drained and it gets harder to make good choices. You might have decision fatigue if you feel extra tired, stressed out, or if making even simple choices feels really hard. You might also start making silly mistakes, like wearing mismatched socks or forgetting to do your homework. Decision fatigue happens when you make a lot of choices in a short amount of time. For example, if you spend all day deciding what to wear, what to eat, or what to do, your brain gets when you have decision fatigue. You might start making poor choices or avoid making decisions at all. This can make things more stressful, like forgetting to do important tasks or not finishing your homework. To avoid decision fatigue, try making important decisions early in the day when your brain is fresh. You can also create routines to reduce the number of decisions you need to make. For example, decide what to wear the night before or have a regular study schedule. Decision fatigue happens when you feel super tired and find it hard to make good decisions because you've already made too many choices. It's like your brain gets worn out from too much decision making. You might notice you're feeling extra tired, stressed, or having trouble making even simple choices, like what to eat for dinner. You might also start making silly mistakes or feel like you just can't make up your mind. Making a lot of choices in a short amount of time can cause decision fatigue.
Remember, understanding decision fatigue can help you manage your tasks better and feel less stressed. Next time you have a lot of choices to make, try to plan ahead and make decisions early. You'll see how much easier life can be. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more videos from our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.